influential women in the world. So today I will share with you 100 world's most influential women's name in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Marie Curie, Mother Teresa, Malala Yousafzai, Virginia Woolf, Florence Nightingale, Helen Keller, Agnes Hunt, Anne Frank, Indira Gandhi, Rosalind Franklin, Jane Goodall, Sister Nivedita, Bertha Benz, Cleopatra, Ada Lovelace, Averell Mansfield, Angela Merkel, Danny Gray Thompson, Aung San Suu Kyi, Catherine the Great, Emily Dickinson, Harriet Tubman, Althea Gibson, Benazir Bhutto, Edith Cavell, Bertha von Suttner, Carol Barnes, Coco Chanel, Diane Fossey, Chien Sung-woo, Hypatia, Alan Johnson Sirleaf, Dolores Ibarruri, Eleanor Roosevelt, Elizabeth Cady Stanton, Emily Dussatley, P.T. Usha, Savitribai Phule, Kiran Bedi, Mary Kom, Shaina Newell, Sarah Breedlove, Emmeline Pankhurst, Françoise Bagay Sinusui, Frida Kahlo, Louise Michel, Gertrude Bell, Golda Meir, Graça Machel, Joan of Arc, J.K. Rowling, Jessica Innes Hill, Juliana Rotic, Katherine Johnson, Junko Tabe, Oprah Winfrey, Liz Meitner, Margaret Thatcher, Martha Lane Fox, Martha Stewart, Mary Anning, Mary Seacole, Noiva Paris, Olympe de Gouges, Mirabai, Eleanor of Aquitaine, Rachel Carson, Peggy Guggenheim, Queen Elizabeth I, Queen Victoria, Sacagawea, Sappho, Radia Perlman, Rosa Parks, Nellie Bly, Rajia Sultana, Rosa Luxemburg, Tatu Bathu, Serena Williams, Sheryl Sandberg, Shirin Ebadi, Sofia Kovalevska, Valentina Tereshkova, Wangari Maathai, Sophie Scholl, Wilma Rudolph, Edith Piaf, Indra Nooyi, Jane Austen, Simone Biles, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, Tu Youyou, Nadia Comaneci, Josephine Baker, Kalpana Chawla, Maria Quiteria, Joni Mitchell, Maria Callas, Sarojini Naidu, Wu Zedong,